Have you heard of modular arithmetic? So modular arithmetic is just talking about arithmetic of remainders. The main man here is just remainders. I mean, it's just related to number-based system, whereby we say convert a number in base 10 to another base in base 2. We just keep dividing by that number in base 10, and we still, as in we keep taking the remainders. Now we equally take what? Remainders. So watch, if the time now is 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, what will be the time if in the next, let's say 45 hours, what do you think will be the time? So for me to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4 till I get to 45 hours, it keeps wrapping around. So this is just arithmetic of wrapping around. That's it goes around and comes back to the initial number. It goes around again and comes back to the initial number. In other words, it's a cyclic what? Arithmetic. It occurs in a cyclic order. Now, in the next 45 hours, look at how I'll get my answer in an easier way. This clock works in modulo 12. That's mode 12. Now, it works in mode 12, meaning that it wraps around. It has what? 12 values. It wraps around after when it gets to what? 12 values. It continues. That it starts from the beginning when it gets to the 12 value. It starts from the beginning again when it gets to the 12 value. So if it works in mode 12. Now from this 3, if I ask you in the next 12 hours, it will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will get to 3 again. But the only thing that changes that it will become 3 o'clock in the morning. Now it means that in the next 12 hours, it will be 3 o'clock in the morning. In the next 12 hours again, it will be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In the next 12 hours again, it will be 3 o'clock in the morning. That's 36 hours. Do you understand? Now, how do I do that faster? Since it's working in mode 12, that's in 12 value. When it gets to 12 value, it rotates again. It starts from the beginning. I'll simply divide that 45 that asked me by the mode 12. So 45 divided by 12 will give me 12 times 3 is 36. That's 3 remainder 9. So remember what I say is arithmetic of remainder. So I'll take the 9 for me to get the time after 45 hours. So I'll get from that 3, from this time now, I'll just move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 hours. Now it is 12 o'clock. But do I know whether it is in the morning or in the afternoon? So this 3 here is telling me how many times it has wrapped around. So from this 3 now, it's wrapped around 1 time. That's 3. Remember, I said 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So if it wraps around 1 time, it will be in the morning. The second time, it will be in the afternoon. The third time, it will be in the morning again. Now here is 3 o'clock in the morning now for the third time. Now the remainder is 9. Now we counted 3 o'clock in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 12 o'clock. Once you enter 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 12 p.m. And this is our answer. So the next one, for instance, days of the week. Let's use those days of the week. Since we know that a week starts on Sunday and ends the following Saturday, and another week starts on Sunday, so you see that they are wrapping around in 7. That's when they get to the 7th value. So if today is Sunday, someone might ask you, what day will it be in the next 28 days? So what will be your answer? Will you start to count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? It does not make sense. Now let's do it. In the next 28 days, we check days of the week. In what's the mode? That's how many times, what value will they get before they wrap around? They get to 7th value. The same thing I do here, I did here, I mean. So it will be 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 will give me 4. Remainder 0, right? Now, the remainder 0. This 0 is telling us that there is no more days left. Now, this 4 is telling us that it has gone around 4 times. So, Sunday went around 1 time, it is Sunday. Second time, it is Sunday. Third time, it is Sunday. Fourth time, it is still Sunday. Now, the 0 here is telling us that at the last Sunday, there is no more days to count. So, if today is Sunday, the next 28 days will definitely be a Sunday. Now, the next 30, let's say, okay, the next 5,000 days from today will be what? We simply do 5,000, that number of days they've asked us, over the modulo is working upon. That's 7 days of the week. So 5,000 divided by 7. 7 divide itself 1. 7 divide 50 will give us 7, remainder 1. 7 divide 10 will give me 1, remainder 3. 7 divide 30 will give me 4, remainder 2. So what does it tell me? this 714 tells me that Sunday has wrapped around 714 times in 5,000 days. It will wrap around 714 times in 5,000 days. And there is more what? 2 days left to be counted. So the 714th times will still be a Sunday. So the 2 days is the remainder, is arithmetical remainder. We'll take the remainder. So Sunday, it is what? We'll count Monday, Tuesday. So in the next 5,000 days from today, it will be a what? A Tuesday. Now, let me ask you, this 5,000 days, how many years is it? It is actually, press it with your calculator. A year is 365. So 5,000 days will be 5,000 divided by 365, approximately 13 years. So by that time, you watching this video, you must have gotten married. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Stars Academy. Bye-bye.